Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the ice chute in this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Open the ice compartment door and pull the retaining lever forward, then lift the ice bucket assembly up to remove. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws securing the ice chute. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift the old ice chute out. To install the new ice chute, position the chute over the auger motor drive shaft, then secure the chute with the screws. Realign the ice bucket assembly in the compartment and snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.